Assalamu alaikum guys. We want to speak English and we want to learn English. So to learn and to improve our English, we should practice every day. So that's why making video is one of the most important way to learn and to speak English. So if we don't practice every day, then we will not able to speak in English, because without practice nothing gonna happen, because practice makes a man perfect. I think you know that. So you have to practice a lot. If you learn something new, then you have to use that in real life. Then you will understand that thing easily. So when we will learn something new, we have to try make a video, and we have to try make a conversation in real life. Then the thing, the word will we will understand so perfectly. That's why it's a effective way for us. So right now I'm walking on a beautiful path. As you can see, the path is really so beautiful, and around me there are so many trees, many kind of trees, and it's really so beautiful. So when I walk this kind of nature, this kind of road, I try to make a video in English to improve my English. So some people can English but they cannot speak in English, because when they come in front of camera or they go in front of people, they get nervous and they forget many words. That's why they cannot speak English. And also it was me. That's why to reduce this nervousness and to improve my English and also to improve my confidence, I try to make a video in English every day. It's really helped me to build my confidence. And as you can see, beside me, this is a field, paddy field, and opposite side this is a water canal, which is so beautiful. And I love this kind of nature, and village life is really so beautiful. And this is the way how I practice my English. And if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your English, then you can do the same thing. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and follow this channel to get more videos. Assalamu alaikum.